All right, test this. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Okay, I can see the bars going, so I think now it's working. Yeah, thank you everyone for letting me know that the microphone is not working, but I'm sure it's working now. Let me see if I see some response. If not, then I have to fix the microphone. Okay, yes, perfect, yes. Okay, good. All right, thank you for letting me know. Sorry, recently I think I'm having some issues with the microphone. I think this is all due to the Windows update. I happen to update from 10 to 11 and many issues happening right now. Microphone and Skype connection sometimes disconnect suddenly. So I'm thinking to reinstall the Skype. But I'm sorry about the issue. I'm glad to hear that now it's working, the microphone. Okay, so let's restart. Let's restart the introduction. So once again, welcome everyone on this live stream today. So this is the 17th of Friday, 2022 on Thursday. So yeah, so this time I'm taking the trade pound CAD. I'm buying it right now. So I will exactly tell how I bought that pair and how I view the market as of now. So today's live stream will be shorter, maybe 30 minutes or so, but I hope you stick to the topic until the end. So let me change the screen. Okay, and also as a quick disclaimer, as usual, this content is all based on my own experience. So when you take trades, when you decide to take trades, please do at your own risk. And also this is live stream, so if you can please follow the rules and guidelines, that would be great. So let me switch to the trading view now. And so this is my entry. My entry was on 1.73027 level, and my stop loss is placed 1.72806. This is the 5-minute chart. But how I trade is I look at the higher time frame first. So either I look at the daily or forward chart. So today I watched the daily chart and I can see that the market is about to break resistance in the daily, and also in the forward chart it was bullish. Okay, so now forward chart is now flat, so I look for the exit timing. So today's topic may be an exit timing. If I can exit, then I will do so in live. But I was seeing the forward chart was up when I was trading. I see Kumo up, Kijun Sen up, Chikou Span above candles. So I was also expecting the market breaks bullish in this way. And then I was seeing the 30-minute chart was uptrending. Now it's flat. Technically, Senkou Span B was up, Senkou Span A was also up, and Kijun Sen was also bullish, and Chikou Span above candles. And this is when I look for a buying edge. And how I captured a buying edge, I do so in the 5-minute chart. So in 5-minute chart, I don't use Ichimoku. I used to use Ichimoku in 5, but not anymore because there are so many fake outs and fake signals. So I'm now using Bollinger Bands and stochastics. For those who are new to my channel, my Bollinger Band setting is 20 SMA with a deviation 1, 2, and stochastics is 30 and 10. Percent K30, percent D is 10, and smooth throwing is 10 is my stochastic setting. And I either look for gold cross or I look for band walk or the trend line bounce, and a trend line Fibonacci, and price action, and I actually take trades. So yeah, so this is where I took the trade here. let me go back the candles. I took the trade here. So once again, forward chart was up, Kumo up, Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen bullish, and Chikou span above candles. And in 30-minute chart, it was also bullish. So I think it was previous candle. Hold on, I think I have a screenshot. So let me see. Okay, so here is, oops, sorry, hold on, on this one, sorry. Okay, so here is the screenshot I took when I took the trade. So yeah, so let's see. So here you can see that the forward chart was up and 30 is also up, and I took the 5 and took 3 confirmations. 3 confirmations were, first, the trend line bounce. I can see once and twice, 3 times trend line bounce, so I captured that first. And then not only that, I also captured the counter trend line breakout. For the trend line is like this way, the market's moving, so you draw the lines on the support, and that's the trend line. But the counter trend line is this one. The market is moving up on the end wave, and you capture the counter trend line, and once it breaks, this is also a good confirmation to buy. So I took that, and also stochastic gold cross. I took the stochastic gold cross, and not only that this is a simple gold cross, but this was divergence. If you look at the lows on stochastics, the lows are higher. Lows are at the same level on the stochastics, but in price action, the lows are clearly higher, and this is the this is how to say, like divergence. So I took that also as a third confirmation. And along the way, the market went upwards this way. There were some doji breakouts and also some minor engulfing breakouts happening. So I was expecting the market goes up and breaks bullish, and that's why I took the buy. So this is actually my strategy. My uniqueness about my strategy is that if you see this chart, you might think that the market might reverse because there are some resistances in the forward chart or the daily time frame, and in 5-minute chart there are 2 tops. So in theory, in the textbook, in this case, you don't trade. In the textbook, what it says is you have to wait for the breakout and wait for the pullback and buy. But I do this also, but in this case, because I get these confirmations already, I decided to enter the trade. But with knowing that the resistance is nearby, I took the buy, and if the market reverses backwards, then I simply exit with a very small loss. Is my strategy. So basically, I follow the higher time frame Ichimoku direction. In this case, the forward chart uptrend and also 30-minute chart uptrend. I took that. And then after that, the market, hold on, let me cancel the back test. So after that, what happened was the market went up initially. Well, first, the market retraced. Market retraced back, but I didn't exit because the market is above the trend line still and expect the trend line bounce. And not only that, when I saw this doji breakout, you see there was a doji breakout over here in this candlestick. So after confirming this doji break, I was relieved that the market is going up still. So this is N wave bullish. And afterwards, the market slightly broke the resistance, and now it's retracing backwards. And this is because there is a higher time frame resistance here. So I was also expecting this move. So I will keep monitoring until I set the break even. And now, if you look at the candles, the previous candle was doji. Just like before, the previous candle was doji. And now I'm watching whether the market closed above or below the doji. So in the forward chart, it's already flat. I can see that the market is now flat because FTMO angles, a Senko span B angle is flat, Senko span A angle is flat, and Kijun-sen angle is also flat. So this is when I look for an exit timing. And I look for exit timing based on the 5-minute chart. And in 5, I don't see any reverse confirmations yet. So because the market is still supported by the trend line, and I don't see dead cross yet, I don't see any sign of reversal. I don't see any double top. I don't see any head and shoulders yet. So in my view, in 5-minute chart waves, in these conditions, this is too bullish, so I don't exit yet. But if the market start to break this trend line, and also if I start to see this dead cross on stochastics or some other reverse confirmations, then I will exit with a very small loss. So this is my entry. I bought here at 1.7302, and my stop loss is currently placed on 1.7280 level. So I'm taking around 24 pips of stop loss. And I'm taking a trade on MT5, so let me quickly show the MT5 window. So this is my MT5. You can see the chart running here on the down here. I have to change it to from profit to pips, as I mentioned on the video previously. So let me do that. Right click and profit. Right now it's as money, so I will place it as points. So now I'm actually running loss, only 7 pips. I took 2 trades. I put the stop loss here. And this is stop loss is placed 22 pips below the position. So this is a relatively tighter stop loss I'm taking, and I'm still expecting the market goes bullish. Okay, so now doji candle is about to break bearish. So I wait for this candle close. And if this candle close becomes below doji, then I will exit for sure. So let's see if it happens. Coming back to the trading view, in this candle, it's closing in about 47 seconds. So let's see. If this happens, then this means that the market broke the trend line, and also doji, and the dead cross will come afterwards, and then that will be an exit timing. So this time I'm taking 2% risk, 2% risk to the stop loss %. And if I exit here, that will be 1% drawdown, which is very small. But I can see the potential continuous range after this break, or continuous downtrend from here, and the market may reverse all the way back to the Kijun-sen in the forward chart. Usually when the Kijun-sen goes flat, the market tends to retrace back to Kijun-sen. So to avoid these huge drawdown, I exit very soon. Okay, so now you can clearly see that the market broke the trend line in doji break and dead cross, while the forward chart is now flat, so I will just exit. So I will exit by mobile. I fix the loss, and that was my trade. So yeah, I think this is my second time or third time that I was able to show the exit timing with my strategy. So I think that was a good timing to do live today. But yeah, so from here, it may reverse. Because simply 4-hour chart is now flat. 4-hour chart, Kumo is flat, and Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen flat. So it may reverse back to the Kijun Sen. Well, in this case, it may reverse back to the previous resistance, 1.7280. It may retrace to that level and goes up, but still, it's a risk because Kijun Sen flat, so it may break the resistance and continuously go back to these levels. And when I see this potential retracement, I exit very soon like this. So this was my exit with a very small loss. So yeah, let me check some comments now. So let me continue to monitor in 5, this case. And simply, if the market goes up from here, then I re-enter the market. Let's say the market breaks resistance and 4-hour chart goes up and 1-hour chart goes up, then I re-enter the market in this case. So, so we'll see. If it happens, then I re-enter in live. So let's see. Okay, so let me say hi to everyone. And yeah, good to see you. Thank you for joining. Ray Carvin, Fibonacci, Arukari, Kishore, Rashmi, 416, Melanie, and Shoaib, the Alien, and Chike, and Frank, Ping UX, Aisiru, thank you for joining as well. Chike also, again, thank you for joining. Othmain and Rashmi, thank you for joining, everyone. Okay, so let me check some comments now. Alex says, I'm waiting for pound CAD to break resistance, then I'll probably go long. All right, yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, but for me, I entered the market before the breakout. So now it's bullish, so I might re-enter again. But this rule, discipline is very important. If the market reverses and if it's your exit timing, then you better exit no matter what. And if the next timing will be an entry timing again, then you better enter no matter what. And that should be built in your strategy. If you go against your strategy, then that is not a good trade. That's not a good win. It's not a good loss either. So now the market is bullish, but in my psychology, it's okay because I exit with my rule. So the market may have been going backwards to 4-hour Kijun Sen, and it may in the long term. This is only 5-minute chart. It's just happening. So from here, it may break and retrace. So we will see which way it goes. But following the rule is very, very important. Okay, let's see. Let me check some other comments now. Okay, Rashmi. Oh yeah, I'm about to have 50K subscribers. Yes, I think it will reach today. I was checking the number of subscribers right now, and it's I think 4 more members. In 4 more members, then my channel will become 50K. So it's a countdown right now. Yes, and then I will have a special live stream sometime next week. Oh, Melanie, thank you for the reminder for the like button. So if you liked the live stream so far, please press the like button before you leave. That would be great. Right, thank you for joining, everyone. Can you look at the gold? All right, let me check gold. I think it's range. Let me check. gold in the daily time frame. Oh, it broke the resistance. Now it's going up. Okay, okay, so that's good. That's good. Gold is going up now. And in the forward chart, it is also bullish. And in 1 hour, it's now retracing. So in 1 hour basis, it may retrace back to Kijun Sen. So in this case, I hold and wait until Kijun Sen turns bullish. But gold is going up right now, broke the resistance. So I think this is a good timing to monitor, to trade. Okay, let's see. Adil says, okay, the price reached the NT level. The V level will be on 1.75471. Okay, so that's a pound CAD, right? Okay. And the N level 1.7630. The E level will be 1.79664. Okay. So yeah. So the market may reach to one of these price levels, price targets. So we'll see. If the market breaks these resistances from the February, this year, the market keeps going up, most likely. So we will see. All right, thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you once again. Okay, Adil says, okay, thanks for explaining the wave theory. I have created an easy way to count the waves level without calculating anything. And honestly, the V level is always reached. Okay, so you're talking about the calculating the price theory, right? Price levels. V target. Okay, so yeah, let's see. So now let me go back to the 5. Looks like this one is still going up. So let's see if it breaks. And then I look for another buying edge. Usually when the market is near resistance, near support in the daily time frame, the market becomes very spiky, kind of, volatile, because the sellers can come in here, buyers here, so there are fight between buyers and sellers. So yeah, the market becomes very tricky in that case. Okay, 1.728 is my stop loss. 1.278 is here. Yeah, that's fine. My stop loss was 1.7280, so it's totally okay. Yeah, let's see. Okay, check Euro AUD. All right, let me check Euro AUD. Looks like the markets are becoming active now. So since yesterday, I had no trades on the Forex pairs, but today looks to be active. Okay, so what was it again? Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Okay, it's going down in the daily chart, but in Ichimoku line says it's flat, and in the forward chart, it's going down now. Okay, Euro AUD going down in the forward chart. In 1 hour, it's going down too. So this one's nice. Euro AUD is also a good timing to look for the sell chance. So let me go down to 5. And when I would enter the market. So now I see dead cross. Okay, so here it's about to break the support level on 1.5761. So that's good. Once the market breaks that will be also a good chance to sell. Okay, so let me see. Chris says, well, I'm amazed by how you are so calm while in a position. Yes, I have been trading for 8 years, so I should be calm. But it's also my discipline. because I'm risking 1%, 2% per trade. So I'm safe psychologically. So I can be calm. If I risk 10%, then I might not be able to calm. And I will never trade high leverage, like 10% risk. But because my risk is very small, only 2% to stop loss. So yeah, I can be calm. And I exit before the price hit the stop loss usually. All right, hello James, good to see you. Thank you for joining. Right. Dinle says, hi Kason, I'm having a sell position on Euro Pound at 0.8345. How do you think? Euro Pound, let me see. Let me check the daily first. Euro Pound, daily is flat ranging, but this is on the down channel. In the forward chart, it's going down nicely, broke the support, and it's going down. And in 1 hour, it's going down too. Yeah, looks like markets are now becoming active, which is a good news. So finally, you start to move today. Today, right now, is a good timing to forecast, monitor, and trace. For the last 3 days, was very quiet. So this is when I usually take trace. So Euro Pound at 0.8345. 8345 was here. Yeah, so that's good. That's good. It's still going down. So no reason to exit. You can move it to break even and keep trading the profits as the market goes bearish. Okay, let's see. Othman says, are you going to switch your strategy to a sell to adapt with the market or just take the losses? I just take the losses and just exit and look for other opportunities on other markets. So Euro Pound is going down in higher time frames. So let me go down to 5 and discuss on the entry edge. Okay, nicely moving down on the reversed N waves. So that's good. And stochastics is about dead cross, so you can wait for the dead cross to happen. And there is a breakout of the support, and now it's band walking. So once you capture a dead cross, that will be a selling edge. That's Euro Pound in 5-minute chart. Okay, let me see. Simple Relaxation says, can you check GBPPLN? All right, let me check. Okay, so looks like pound is bullish, and that's why the markets are active. Maybe, let me check the strings chart just in case. Strings chart is there. Yep. Okay, and let me refresh the page. Oh, yeah. So looks like pound is bullish, and JPY is weak now, getting weaker, and AUD is bullish now, and USD sideways, Euro sideways, and CAD sideways, and New Zealand also sideways. Pound is going up, JPY is going down. So I think the most volatile, the most active market right now is pound JPY. It's going up more than any pairs. But yeah, let me check the GBPPLN. Daily chart is flat. In the forward chart, it's also flat. This is P wave ranging. Most likely it breaks bearish. So I will draw the line like this and expect the market breaks this trend line bearish, simply because Tenkan Sen below Kijun Sen. In 1 hour, it's slightly moving up, gradually moving up, but not so active, not really active, bullish. So I would monitor the chart by forward chart and wait for the P wave break bullish, bearish in this case. Oh, so I will thank you for the information. Looks like UK increased the interest rate. Okay. Richard, thank you for joining. Good to see you too. Okay, so I do see many more comments, but now I'm ending the live. So yeah, once again, thank you for joining, everyone. It was very nice to see you, and I will hope to see you again. So for those who are Ichimoku members, there will be an Ichimoku membership in about 30 minutes. So I will see you there. Otherwise, I will see you at the next live or video session. So please stay healthy and stay safe and stay gold. Right, bye for now, everyone. Mata ne. Thank you.